Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of March 31st through April 6th. I'll be using a kit from Brianna Nicole Designz. It is kit 261. It is called Spring Clean Kit. Spring Clean Kit, I guess. No, just one kit. Well, that one says clean twice. Anyways, here's the full boxes. My kids are on spring break this week, and I have a lot of days off, so I will be going through the house. So I did order the full boxes, the quarter boxes, the half boxes, and then the washi and date strips, and it does come with a couple of habit trackers here. I used her kit last week, and I didn't film because it was a new kit, and it was late at night, and I didn't really want to pull out my camera. But I'll go ahead and show you kind of how it's going. It is a very cute springy kit. I love all the florals. It's just so pretty. I'm a little late on my steps, so I haven't been wearing my watch. So I just track my phone steps when I keep it in my pocket, and I know that's not really accurate. But yeah, just been working. Today is actually Tuesday of this week, so I'm a little behind, but I did get my April plan with me up if you want to watch that. But we're just going to go ahead and get started with this. So I am going to use this blue up here since the date strips are colorful. And we're going to go like that. Get my ruler out here. So not much going on this week in terms of sports because it is spring break. My son does have a couple optional volleyball practices, so he is going to go to those, but besides that we don't have any gymnastics, no track. I have a couple dance classes, but besides that we're just focusing on cleaning, well, deep cleaning the house. The house is pretty clean, but I want to do like the baseboards. I want to clean out the kitchen cabinets because they're kind of getting overgrown there. So that one doesn't quite come to the end, but that's okay. But yeah, I just want to get some stuff done. I did go through my garage already, so that's nice. We usually have a garage sale in the summer, so I just want to keep all that stuff. My kids are growing ridiculously fast. I know I say that, or everybody says that a lot, but kids go through clothes so fast, and I probably have like 15 trash bags full of clothes that my kids can't wear anymore. And I want to keep, my oldest son is 15 and my middle son is 11, so I wanted to keep like clothes and hand down to him, but he doesn't like the same stuff, so it's not really working out for me. Okay, we're going to start with Monday. So like I said, kids don't have school this week, so we'll just go ahead and put that in and work in. So I did work yesterday, and then no school. I'm just going to put it at the 8 o'clock portion. My husband is working today. Here, I don't know where I'm going to quite put my full boxes yet this week because of my, let's do green one, my son's volleyball practices, but we will see where that goes. And then no school here. Okay, so Monday I just worked, no school, and I also didn't go to my home health guy. I actually sent him to the ER because he has a new wound, and it was getting to the point where it needs some additional help besides what I can give him. I'm just a CNA. He knew that from the beginning, so I don't know. I'm just doing what he tells me to do, but it's not getting any better. So he's been there since Thursday. So I've had the nights off, but Tuesday, like I said, today, my eldest son has practice from 12 to 2. So I'm going to put that in here. Crooked, of course. Wouldn't be me if it's not. You would think these lines would help, but that one was a little bit better. 12 to 2 here. And then I do have dance. 5:45. So I'll go ahead and put that there. So this week is going to look way different than usual. I think I'm still going to put the washi strip down here. It's really cute. Pink, orange, yellow. Because I am going to try to go to work out while he's doing volleyball. I'm going to see if my mom can watch the other two kids because, oh, there it is. Because they don't have childcare or anything. When I used to have a Y membership, they had free childcare, so that was nice. I could go whenever I wanted, but since couldn't even see that. Since I wanted to get an Anytime Fitness one, just got to make it work. And usually I go at night when they're in bed. So Thursday, let's keep going here. Oh, we're both off on Thursday, and then I work Friday. And then he works Saturday and Sunday. So we might try to go do something on Thursday with the kids. But I haven't even thought about it. I just thought since we're both off, maybe we could just go do something kind of fun. And then no school here. So if we do go do something, I will use one of the bigger boxes to put that in. No school there. He's got volleyball, 12. And then we have dance Saturday morning, which I actually had to cancel my glow night because I forgot it was spring break and everyone was messaging me, I'm sorry I can't come, I'm sorry I can't come. And I'm like, it's fine. And then so I just posted on my little page, hey, is anybody coming? And I had a couple people, but I'm like, is it worth it? You know what I mean? I don't really want to get all my stuff together and go up there and set up, and so I just canceled it. So I haven't had a dance class in a while. Put this down here like so. Like I said, for the home health, I don't know when he's going to be back. They admitted him, so I knew it was going to be at least 3 days. Let's get in frame here. But I'm just kind of waiting on him to see when he's coming back home. So I'll leave those there, and if he does end up coming back through the week, I'll go ahead and put that in. We still don't know soccer schedules. Those come out on Monday. So I will be using those next week. Again, going to do some cleaning this week, and then the full boxes. So let's go ahead and do this sidebar over here. I'm going to put this cleaning lady over here. So we get to find out on Wednesday who the winner of the work weight loss thing is. And on my last weigh-in, I lost 26 pounds. So I feel like I'm pretty high up there, but I don't know what everybody else is doing. But I think there was like 18 or so people that signed up, and we had to pay $10, and then whoever wins and lost the most weight gets all that money. So that would be nice. But, all right, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? I can put a full box here, but I know I want to do like some cleaning things. I also have, I'm all over the place, y'all. These stickers from Willow Waste Stickers, and they're just like cleaning, washing things, mopping floors, all kinds of different things here. So I don't know if I want to do like a checklist, because today I'm going to focus on the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room. So I don't know if I want to put like a checklist or just put clean kitchen. I don't know. So let's focus on the full boxes first. Since I worked Monday, I didn't do much, but we'll put this one in here. I'm going to put it kind of high at the top. And then maybe I'll put, see, there's not too much of space because of those volleyball practices. Go ahead and put this here. I might see if I can cut this one and maybe like put it up here. Let's see. Would that look weird? I don't know. Do these rip? I don't know. Do I feel bad ripping them? Yes. Let's see how high we can get. It's not gonna do the full box, but I don't even know if this will rip. That looks all right. Not terrible. Okay, so we'll do that. And then do this mop and bucket here. Have this little bucket there. And then I want to do the double box on the Saturday and Sunday. So that go there. And then we'll just put these down at the bottom here. I kind of want to put them close together since it's a double seam box. There and here. Oh gosh, now I gotta line them up. Good enough. So I do have one more full box. I'm not tracking steps this week, so I might just put this at the bottom here. Cover those up. I'm still gonna track my food with my Fitness Pal, so that'll be something that I'm gonna continue to do because I still need to lose more weight. But, okay, let's see here. So what do I wanna do for... I might just do a little box here and put, hang on, focus, Brittany, you can do this. You can do hard things. I'm gonna put that here, and then I have a clean kitchen. Script, let me see. So clean kitchen, and then a clean living room there. I don't think there's a clean dining room, which I really need to do that and get the baseboards. I thought I saw baseboards somewhere, so let's do clean living room. Or maybe there's like a floor. I need to get like the ceiling fans, just, you know. Let's see. Baseboards, there's one. Okay. We'll put that in because that's the biggest thing in our dining room. It's all wood and wood floors and stuff. So let's do that here. I know that looks kind of busy, but it's fine. And then tomorrow is going to be deep cleaning bathrooms. Gotta have a bathroom on there. There it is. Clean bathroom. And I want to shampoo our carpets upstairs. I don't see anything like that. Sweep. Mop floors. It's almost the same thing. I'll just put deep clean. That's fine. And then yesterday while I was at work, I told my husband, I said, the only thing I want the kids to do today for me is to go through their clothes, drawers, closets, everything, and pull out what they don't wear and put it in a pile. And so I come home last night, and in my daughter's room, like there's like just a pile, bigger than her pile. And I'm like, you guys don't wear these clothes and they've just been sitting in there? And they're like, yep. So that's a task for me to do. I think I'm going to do that on Thursday, is kind of separate into sizes because I'm real OCD like that. Separate into sizes and then take it out to the garage so it'll be ready for when we have our sale. So I'm going to put organize because that sounds about right. And then I think that's probably it. Here, I can put the clean closet on Monday. And I did mine last week, so I had 2 or 3 bags because I've been losing weight. And when you lose weight as a female, I don't know if this is for everybody, but like my weight doesn't go down a ton, but you can tell my inches are so much smaller. And so none of my clothes fit. What was I going to put here? closet, right? Yeah. So I had a lot that I needed to, and part of me wants to hold on to it because it's like, are you going to gain the weight back? But hopefully by summer, if I haven't gained any more weight and I keep losing, then I can let it go and not feel bad. But since my weight has fluctuated so much my whole life, I'm always like, do I need to keep these just in case so I don't have to buy more? But it's fine. And then Saturday and Sunday, I don't know what I'm going to do. I did my outside and my garden beds earlier this month, or last month. Let's see what else I need to do. Organize cabinets. That could be a kitchen thing, but it's okay. I got that. I like these a lot. I think I bought 2 of each sheet just to... I really wish there was something with the floors, carpets, clean carpets or something. I don't know. If I see anything else, I'll put it on Saturday and Sunday. Like I said, I'm just going to be cleaning Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday just to get it all done. Kids are home. I don't have to be running them anywhere except for these 3 days. But I am going to go to the gym. I do need to put that in. And, oh, where did they go? There they are. I'm just going to put these down here. I didn't get any gem stickers, but I'm sure... Woo! That's crooked. I hate going right next to this coil. Okay, so her stickers are not super removable, unless it was just because it's on top of the washi. Maybe that's why it didn't come off great. Trial and error. But I do like these stickers, and she has a ton of kits. I've never shopped with her shop before. Okay, let me see... I know I have some gem stickers in this one there. So let's find a color. So this is kind of all green and yellow. Let's do yellow. I believe these ones are from, actually I couldn't tell you. This book I got so long ago, and it just kind of has a hodgepodge of everything. It looks like Orange Umbrella Co. Yes. But they're from a long time ago. They feel different even than her stickers now. So gem and gem. Now I might go these 2. Well, I know I will. I will go these 2 days. So I'll go ahead and put those 2 on too. My son about killed me the last day that we went because he's like, let's see how long we can plank. He's like, do you think you can beat me? And it was like 1 minute and 20 seconds. Now, I'm not great. Like, I'm still a pretty big girl. And he was shaking, but I couldn't do it. So that's my goal, is to outplank him someday. But I took a video of us doing it, and he was shaking. I'm like, just drop. And he was like, no, keep going. So that was kind of nice. I hurt the next day, but it was kind of fun to do. Okay, that's gonna be it. I'm sorry this was crazy. My life's crazy. Just bear with me. I might do like a full check off list over here. I've got to find some little boxes or like strips or something. I do have, like, I keep a whole bunch of these extra ones, so I might find a color that goes with this and just put it on the side and go from there and check it off, because I like checking things off. That is, it makes me feel like I did something. But that's going to be this kit again. What was the kit number? 261. And Brianna Nicole Designz, like I said, found it on Etsy. You can purchase each of these sheets separately. So if you don't need all of these, which I normally do with all the kids stuff, you can just buy like the full boxes and washi or something like that. Yeah, that's how this week is going to go. Sorry for the late put up, but my life's just crazy. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.